Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year, and I hope this year brings a lot of prosperity and joy in our lives. So this year I have decided to add some more new gadgets in my kitchen. The first one here is Usha Food Processor. I have used Bajaj earlier, so I've been using it for many years and I decided to change it. And here you can see I've got one, and you'll see some more gadgets in the upcoming videos. So let us do the unboxing of this one today. As you can see, this is Usha Food Processor, 1000 watts, and we have 5 years warranty for the motor and free home service. Let's open the box now. We have a manual for reference. These are some parts for the juicer. Let's remove all these first. It's quite nice and sturdy, and look at this small little drawer. Cute one to store these food processor attachments. They're nice and heavy. I kind of love this drawer a lot. Here is a bigger jar for grating and slicing. Some attachments to go with it. This one is juicer. There are many attachments that come with the juicer also. And this is a large jar for wet grinding. And we get a spatula also with it. Second jar is little smaller. This is for chutneys. And the smallest jar here for dry grinding. You can grind the spice powders, masalas. I bought this food processor at Chroma. The original price was 13,000, but I got a discount of 1,000, so I paid 12,000. So these are all the parts that came with the food processor. And there's a manual also, instruction manual. I'll go through it. Once I start using them, I'll share the reviews and also some demos with all of you.